Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for joining me today. It really does mean a lot to me. So today we're going to be doing the 3 days free looks with the Essence Which Side palette I told you about. It's just a beauty. Today I'm thinking more of a simple look because I've got to do my... today I'm thinking more of a simple look and I'm thinking about going for the rose toned eyeshadows in the palette. I want to do a simple look today just because I've got another video to do after this, so I don't want it to take forever, but I do want to show you what the eyeshadows look like. So I'm thinking, actually let's have a look at that one. I think that would look good all over the lid, and maybe some of Power. So that's Power, that's Enchanted, and then maybe that in the crease. I was actually going to put Charm all over the eyelid and into the crease, but I don't think I'm going to do that now. I didn't realise he had a really pale shimmer there. So let's just pop some of Ritual, which is this cream ivory shade, all over the eyelid, just to set my base. And it's absolutely belting it down yet again. This is like the third day on the trot where it's done nothing but rain. It's really bad weather in the UK, it's horrible. So now then, I'm going to just clean my brush off. I'm going to zoom you in a minute. Right, so now then we're going to go in with Charm on the crease. Oh, that's nice. I hate going out in the rain. I've got to go to my mum's soon now. Oh. So I do have some videos that are scheduled, but because it was Halloween last Saturday, I do want to put these up pretty soon. Because to me it's a Halloween palette. Obviously when it says which side, you do associate it with Halloween, don't you? So again, I'm just going in with Charm. And I think I'm going to leave my Halloween decorations up till bonfire night, and then I'm just going to take them down. And before we know it, it'll be Christmas. It'll be time to put the Christmas decorations up. Even though we've been in lockdown and things like that, I just feel like this year has gone so fast. It probably is because we've been in lockdown and there's not really been that much for us to do. Right, so now I'm just going to go back in with Ritual for the brow bone. I'm just seeing if I want to use a deeper shade. Maybe this one here, Magic. I'm sure I've used that before. Let's go in with Supernatural because I'm sure I used Magic the first time around when I did the Halloween look. Just putting it on the edge. So I am only doing 3 days with this palette. So at the end of it, there will be shades that I haven't used. But that's just because I've got the I Heart Revolution palette still out from last week and I don't want to keep it in for another week. So yeah, we're going to be using that one as well for 5 days. When I hear it belting it down like that on the window, it makes me not want to go out. Okay, so we're going to go in with Enchanted. Okay, I might have to spritz it, we'll see. That shade would have made a nice inner corner highlight, I think. But I'm going to go over the top of it with one of those sprinkled shades. Yeah, it's definitely picking up the pigmentation now. Right, so now then, we're going to go in with Power, which is this gorgeous sprinkled shade here. And first I'm going to try it wet like I did with the Enchanted shade. Because it's a similar shade, it's not really looking any different really, I don't think. Looks pretty and feminine, I'm not going to take that away from it. Very girly, which is what I like. Just going to spray the brush again. In fact, let me pat it down like I did last time. Try and get rid of the creases that it's causing. With those type of eyeshadows, if you've got more mature eyelids, I feel like you can see any fine lines that you've got on your eyes. And what I'll do now is I'll just go in with it and just pat some more on. I mean, the more you put on, the more texture you're going to see. Oh, it's flaking. Just pop a bit more of that on. Right, and now because I've got rid of most of the brown, I'm gonna go back in with that Supernatural shade, just with the other side of the brush. Right, then we're gonna find the eyeliner and tight line. So again, I'm just using this Too Faced Love eyeliner that's in Project Pan. This is the worst job of applying eyeliner, it's horrible. And my left eye always closes even before the eyeliner goes underneath, it's so sensitive. And then mascara, we're just using the Poundland one. Right, and then I want to blend it out just a little bit more. Oh, we actually need to put something on the lash line as well. Right, so for that, I think I'm just going to put Supernatural on, which again is that shade there. Right, and then I think we're going to have to put Amulet on the inner corners, just because that's the only really light shade. I wonder if Shadowy would work, because that's got like a pink undertone in. Let's try Shadowy. It's probably too, I think it's too similar to Power. We'll put it on and then we'll try and lighten it up. So now then, I'm going to go over top of that with Amulet. Oops. They're really flaky. That looks better, but they are really flaky, guys. The special, let's call them special eyeshadows in the palette. They just get everywhere and they've got glitters in them as well. I do really like them, but they are really flaky. So what I'm going to do now is just go and get a lipstick and I'll come back. Right, so I've chosen Steelers Patina. I'm sure I've worn that this month. I think it's Perla that I haven't, but this one has got more of a pink undertone, so I thought it would look nice with the eye look. So let's see, shall we? Right guys, so this concludes the look with this gorgeous palette. I absolutely love it. So now I've done 2 looks with it, but I'm not going to count that first Halloween look. So this is day 1, look 1. This concludes the video. So this is the eye look. I would say it's very rosy and feminine, very me. I love rose toned eyeshadows. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, and I think this lipstick looks nice with it too. If you've not subscribed to the channel, I would love for you to think about subscribing. Just click that subscribe button down below. I post 5 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday and Saturdays normally, and sometimes I'll post on Sundays as well. Please like, share and comment. I love reading your comments, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.